Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this waterproof reversible placemat. This one here is eco-friendly. This comes with a pack of 6. These are really nice, heat resistant, non-slip, anti-oil, and they are durable. Alright, so today we've received our placemats. These ones are super nice. I did order the checker color. They do offer in several different colors. I decided to go with the black and white. So these are fully reversible. They've got buffalo, check, and blue. They will give you a totally different styles. They are eco-friendly. They are reusable placemats. They are eco-friendly, high-grade flax leather. They are actually like genuine leather. They are very water resistant, so you don't have to worry about if you spill anything. They are easy to wipe up. They are fashionable, plaid. This comes with a 6-piece. They are 17.8 inches long by 11.8 inches wide. They are suitable for all table sizes. You can see how really nice they are. They're super easy to clean. They are durable. They look really nice. I did pick up the tablecloth that is black and white plaid, so they basically match with this because my kitchen is all designed in this. So if you're looking for some really nice placemat, as you can see here, they are really nice, durable, washable, and they are reversible. I would highly recommend checking these ones out. They do offer this in several different colors to choose from.